Good morning and welcome to Fluxx Conference 2025 Middle East Edition. And we have with us Professor Dr. Carlos Rivas-Echeverria. He is a sleep care clinic doctor. First of all, congratulations on winning the award. Congratulations on the panel. Congratulations on being a speaker. And congratulations all together for being here. First of all, how does it feel to be recognized for something you've been working on?
Well, Talia, it's lovely to stay with you now and share with all these wonderful people from Fluxx and all these entrepreneurs, pioneers in different fields. It's indeed amazing. Actually, you forgot mentioning that I was also a jury member. And
Do
that was a
remember too?
and that was a very, very big
Yes,
responsibility
it is.
because you cannot imagine how talented people, a lot of different fields, people who can inspire
Yeah.
the world.
Yeah.
And obviously, there is one winner, so
Yeah.
choosing among so many people, it was a difficult, but fair task.
And so, how does it feel to be recognized for doing all of that?
Well, you
Do you
know,
still like feel like a baby when we were like young and used to get a candy or a star? Is it exactly the same feeling?
well, we doctors are very humble, and we actually can get embarrassed of being receiving an award or something, being nominated for
Yeah.
something. But in my field, which is maybe the most neglected condition, sleep medicine, not very many people pay attention about these conditions, which affect at least two-thirds of the population. So sending this message to everybody was indispensable, and
Yeah.
I got it thanks to you, because you broadened the spectrum of my.
So, what is the sleep care clinic? What are the essentials as a new person should know about you and your company?
Well, we started the first sleep clinic in Venezuela, in Latin America, almost 30 years ago, 25 years ago. Then we moved to Spain, and we developed our clinics there. And now in England, in Leicester,
And now Middle East soon.
and hopefully all over the world,
Yeah.
and maybe in Africa with the support from the Prince
Yeah.
of Gambia, who kindly is willing to support Flux. And I think that would be a great opportunity to help the African population in such an important field in medicine.
So, what is sleep care though? Is it like clearing the pattern?
Well, we united specialists from 21 different specialties. So it's personalized care. Each person have their own conditions, cardiovascular, digestive, neurological, depression, and we have the right specialist for them. So it's a personalized help.
Don't you think with growing in a field such advanced and plus alongside nowadays kids or younger generation are more not into sleeping, they're more into healthcare, but it's for a show, so self-involved and asking the advice from the gurus and doctors from online. How do you deal with all of those challenges?
Well, it's difficult, yes. Actually, we can see huge people that pandemic of obesity just because of the lights.
Really?
Because 200 years ago we had the same food,
Yeah.
and we didn't get that big. But now,
What?
because of
I never knew that.
sleep deprivation, makes us
Oh.
become big, obese,
Oh.
depressed, and now I have a lot of patients who spend all night long watching cats and dogs in the social media,
Yes.
not even talking to different people.
Yeah, they don't. They don't want to because they have been entertained every 30 seconds with a new reel. So they're like, why? Why bother?
And I always said that sleep medicine is one of the most neglected parts of healthcare,
But is it?
but
Yeah. Sorry, continue.
but the other, even more neglected, is the social network. And you, Flux, is doing that.
Thank you so much.
You, with the F of family and friends, you united all these incredible people with different ideas, with different projects for the future, who inspire, each one can inspire me to grow. And this is something that is indispensable. A network of good people who
Yeah.
follow.
Thank you so much on that. But as you talk about sleep, do you see the difference? Are there any advice for the generation or the audience who are watching right now? I know people will be like, we cannot live without the phone. We cannot. It's so boring. I have to see one reel. And how do you tell them or guide them so that they're better in their sleeping pattern?
Well, unfortunately, sleep is not just for fun. It heals our body. We doctors, today is the healthcare industry awards, and we don't heal. It's the body who does it on heals on its own, and that happens when we sleep. If we don't sleep well, we will get depressed, anxious, uh, cardiovascular problems.
Yeah.
One of the main reasons for heart attacks, heart failure, hypertension is lack of sleep, diabetes.
But for example, a person who sleeps a lot, that is, everybody says, the doctor says, oh, this person is depressed. So I'm confused because when I'm like upset, I'd sleep a lot, but still I'll be exhausted. So is that wrong or?
Well, there are conditions like sleep apnea. The person seems to be sleepy because he's
Yeah.
sleeping, falling
Yeah.
asleep
Yeah.
everywhere,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
snoring in the rooms.
Yeah.
But they are not sleeping. They are actually choking.
Oh.
So every 30 seconds or even 20, they stop breathing, and then they
Yes.
choke and
Yes.
breathe again, and that's why they are even more sleep deprived, because they don't sleep profound, they don't sleep long.
Are there any medication for this thing in your clinic for?
Yes, yes. Actually, the solution for sleep apnea is to open the airway, which is closed because of the relaxation of the muscle when we sleep. And there is a machine that can deliver pressurized air to the airway and opens it. And that's the solution. Advanced mandibular devices can also be helpful in some patients, and even treatment. Maybe this weight loss medication can help with treating sleep apnea and all the other complications that has a lot.
Yeah, hope to see you grow because I can sit here and talk about it's such an interesting topic and such a it's such a basic topic that nobody has ever raised their voice about it. So it's I'm first congratulations again. Thank you for coming here. And if anybody wants to reach out or avail your services, how can they contact you?
Well, our website is www.sleepcareclinics.com. You can find us there. We have many colleagues around the world, from India to Canada.
And is it a global service?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time. On that note, don't only sleep, sleep well and be kind. This is Talia MK signing off. Thank you.